Learning English with the word forest and buses. What is different between forest and buses? The difference between forest and buses is mainly inside area and type of plant. Forest meaning a large area covered mainly with many tall trees. It has a variety of plants, animals, and trees that grow close together. Forest can be tropical, rainforest, or dry forest. Example, the Amazon rainforest is the largest forest in the world. Buses. Buses mean small woody plants that have many branches and are usually shorter than trees. Buses often grow in groups, but they do not cover a large area. Like a forest example, there are many buses near my house.